Every night fucks every day up.
Hey guys, what's up and welcome back or welcome to my channel if you're new here. If you are new here, hey, what's up? My name's Dani and I'm here with one of my best friends in the entire world. If you guys have been watching my channel for a while, then you probably know who this is, but this is Gabby.
Hi.
We went to high school together. We've been best friends since, what grade would we really say? If we're being honest with
We've been really good friends since 8th grade freshman year. We've been best friends since senior year of high school. Which is crazy because you don't think about like, finding your best friend senior year of high school.
But it happened.
It happened.
And now we are juniors in college and we are still best friends and we are traveling the world together. So if you're new to my channel, my name is Dani. I am a junior at Loyola University, Maryland, but this semester I'm studying abroad in Spain. But right now we're talking to you from
Capri, Italy.
I mean, that's crazy. So Gabby and I have been traveling to so many different places together this semester and it's so cool. Gabby's studying abroad in London and we've just been having the most amazing semester ever. But that's not what this video is about. So as you can tell from the title, this video is going to be about things that we wish we knew before college. And there's a lot because I know a lot of you are around my age and I feel like this isn't even specific to going into freshman year. I feel like this is just like, regardless of what grade you're going into or year you're going into in college, these are good things to know, or pretty much any stage of life. So hopefully we can help you out in any way. And with all that being said, let's just get into it.
I'm gonna go look at what I texted you. This is like my biggest advice. I was very excited to go to college, as Dani knows. I always felt a little out of place in high school. I think you did a little too. So I was very excited to go away to college, knew I wanted to go to school in California, had no apprehensions, and I thought I was gonna get to college and be like A1 100%.
Yeah.
I had a really rough start to my freshman year. And I was really, really sad, and I was really, really miserable. And I had a hard time making friends at first, and I thought that was weird because everybody tells you college is gonna be the best 4 years of your life, and like, they are. Like, they literally,
Actually, 100%.
they are, but for some people they might not be. So
yeah,
we should say that. But everybody tells you college is gonna be the best 4 years of your life, so I thought it was gonna be the best 4 years of my life right off the bat, and it wasn't, and I was miserable. And it wasn't until way later that I found out that most people don't like the start to their freshman year. And I would say every single one of my friends, with the exception of you, like actually every single one of my friends, like I'm dead serious, every single one of my friends, both at college and at home, didn't have a good freshman year. And that's very normal, and I don't think that's talked about enough.
Social media is a highlight reel, and you can't forget about that, because if someone's having a bad day or a bad week, they're not gonna just go on Instagram and be like, hey guys, like here's a picture of me by myself in my room because I'm miserable. Like, that's not gonna happen. So you just have to remember how normal it is to not be okay 24/7 and feel homesick, and just, you have to allow yourself to feel all of the things, because if you suppress that, then you're just, I feel like you're pushing off the inevitable of just like being sad, because you have to get through that in order to have a good experience. You know what I'm trying to say? Ah, that was really good. Shit, you're good at this.
Fun fact, fun little inside tip. Employers don't really care about your freshman year grades.
That is very true. So,
they understand.
Yeah.
They went to college too.
just don't stress.
Yeah. This one's a little serious.
Yeah, but also very important, especially if you were going into college. I'm gonna let Gab take this one.
The horror stories you hear about guys, they can be true.
Yeah.
Sexual assault does happen. Drugging does happen. I'm sure you've all noticed that I have this cast on my hand. And what essentially happened, to keep it very brief and not get too graphic, is I was at a pub abroad and a guy tried to sexually harass, I don't even know what the right word is, grabbed me in a way that I should not have been grabbed in, and your girl knows how to box, your girl knows how to throw a punch, and your girl turned around and punched the guy in the face. But I'm saying that as a 20, almost 21 in 2 days, year old who is now a raging feminist and very educated. Freshman year I was a very different person. Freshman year I was drugged at a frat party, which was something that I don't think would ever actually happen. It was something I'd been warned about.
Something you hear about in movies.
Yeah, it was something you feel like happens in the movies. I didn't think it would actually happen. I was drugged at a frat party. I know several of my friends have been drugged at frat parties as well. It's something that happens, and it's not that every guy you meet is bad. It's that it tends to be a couple of bad guys that ruin it for the rest of for everyone else, but it does happen. You are a human being. You are not an object. You should not be drugged. You should not be grabbed. You should not feel scared. If it does happen to you, don't be afraid to go forward, tell the authorities, tell who you need to tell the school, respect yourself as a woman, know what you deserve,
and learn how to defend yourself.
That was our PSA. That was our serious part of the video.
Exactly. Now moving on to more
lighthearted, fun things.
What's the next one? What can we talk about?
I wish I knew how to shotgun a beer.
Oh my god.
It makes you look damn cool. I can't do it. Cheers. Cheers.
I just love how
Dust your bedroom.
Dust your bedroom.
It
would make your mom proud. It is so incredibly important to learn how to spend time with yourself. And I've talked about this in the video that I posted about a few weeks ago from when this is going up, when I traveled to Amsterdam alone. It wasn't the biggest thing in the entire world. Obviously, I was only there alone for how many hours? Like,
we were there
it wasn't a big deal, but the reason I wanted to make the video about it is because it is so important to learn how to spend time by yourself and not feel uncomfortable doing so. And Abroad's helped me a lot with that, but it can even come in smaller doses. And this is what Gabby wrote down, like being able to sit in a dining hall and eat by yourself without feeling uncomfortable
and weird.
Yeah, is such an important skill,
because I feel like you think, like, if I sit and eat by myself in the dining hall,
people are gonna think I'm weird.
Oh, weird and don't have friends.
Exactly. No one cares.
Everybody's so focused on themselves, nobody's noticing that you're sitting alone.
Exactly. I say that with so many other things too. Like, if you are having an insecure day, this kind of is like tangent, but like, if you're having an insecure day and you're looking in the mirror and you're like, hey, listen, like, I don't like how my face is, this looks on me, whatever. No one else is going to pay attention to it. Everyone is too caught up in what is going on in their own minds to pay attention to you.
Ooh, the dating thing.
Ooh, the dating thing.
The dating thing.
Yes. Take it away, Gab.
So, this is more at big warm weather schools, and I have a whole theory why. People don't date in college as much as you think they do. People date. I have friends that have boyfriends.
People at my school date a lot. I can't lie.
Your school, okay.
But it's just like my school's weird with that.
Okay,
Anyway.
honestly, what it is when you go to a big warm weather school, this is my theory, and I've talked to many people about it. When you go to a big warm weather school, there are always parties. There's no cuffing season because it never gets cold. So you never
Wait, that is so true.
Yes, there's no cuffing season because it never gets cold. So like cuffing season is like, if I go to UMich and it's November and it's -10 degrees outside, I could either crawl to the bar and be crying by the time I get there because it's so cold, or I could text this person that I kind of have a crush on to hang out and watch a movie. That's what I'm gonna do. But when you go to a big warm weather school and it just doesn't happen, and it's 65 degrees, why not go out?
My last piece of advice, and also, I think we could both agree, is the most important piece of advice. I want to say it on 3. 1, 2, 3. Go abroad! I'm telling you guys, it is. Sounds super cliche. Everyone always says it. Without a doubt, the most amazing experience.
The most amazing experience.
You will never regret it. You will have the time of your life.
Best few months of your life. And everybody who doesn't go abroad, they all say, oh, I'll travel after graduation.
They never travel after graduation.
Who are they gonna go with?
Exactly.
And also
what time?
Go.
Just go.
Go. Just do it.
Just freaking go.
Go abroad.
Book your ticket.
It might be scary, but it's
you have to go.
How we should outro.
Outro. Wait, can we do this again? 1, 2, 3. Wait, I can't do it when I smile. Alright guys, so that is going to be it for my video. Our video. I really hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, please make sure to let me know in a comment down below. I think it's important to start mixing in a few non-abroad related videos on my channel, just so you can, I know, because it's gonna end, and I want you guys to continue to learn something from my videos. So if you got anything out of this, please let me know in a comment. Let me know what your favorite tip was, and if you have any other tips that you could share with people, also leave those down below, because I think it could be really beneficial. But all of Gabby's links will be listed down below. Her Instagram, throw her a few follows, because I mean, she posts really cool pictures. Her Instagram is entirely managed by myself.
My Instagram is managed by
So if you like any of the pictures, it's by yours truly, and all of my links will be down below as well. But thank you so much for watching this. I really hope that you enjoyed it.
And thank you for having me.
Exactly. Anytime, Gabrielle, are you kidding? And I will talk to you very soon in my next video. Bye.